We have the new iPhone 13 mini here. It is the smallest iPhone in the Apple's iPhone 13 lineup with a 5.4-inch Super Retina XDR display and a 2438 mAh battery. It comes with the new and improved A15 Bionic chip, which makes it faster and its performance smoother than the previous version. We have the product red version. It also comes in 4 colors: pink, blue, midnight and starlight. Let's check out what comes in the box with it. In the box, you will get the iPhone itself. You will also get a USB-C to Lightning cable in the box. There is no charging adapter here, just as the previous year. A pouch with the product red card. A SIM ejector, quick guide manual, and an Apple sticker. Now let's have a look how to set it up for the very first time. Press and hold the power button. After the iPhone is turned on, it will say hello to you in different languages. As you can see, the hello style is different than the previous times as it comes built in with iOS 15. Swipe up and select the language. Select your country or region. Now, if you have an older iPhone, you can set up the new iPhone with that, but we will set it up manually. Connect to your Wi-Fi. Tap Next. Tap Continue. Now you can set up your Face ID if you wish. We will skip it for now. Set up a passcode of your choice and verify it. Select if you want to transfer old data or not and how to transfer it. We will set it up as a new iPhone, so we are selecting Don't Transfer Apps and Data. Sign in with your Apple ID. If you don't have one, tap Forget Password or Don't Have an Apple ID. Tap Setup in Settings later. Tap Don't Use. Agree to the terms and conditions. Tap Continue. Tap Continue if you want to set up iMessages and FaceTime. Enable or disable location services as you wish. Set up Siri if you wish. You can set up screen time here. Share iPhone Analytics. Select if you will share App Analytics or not. Select Light or Dark mode. Tap Continue. Select Display Zoom. Tap Continue. And your iPhone is ready. Just swipe up and your iPhone setup is complete and you can start using it. These are the apps come built in with the iPhone. Swipe down from the top right corner and you will get the control center. This is the iPhone 13 mini product red version and how you can set it up for the very first time. If you have any query about iPhone 13 mini, let us know in the comment below. Thank you.